But first, let's look at the history and the benefits of linen and its biblical references. Let's get started. At the electronic cellular level, flax cells are highly complementary with human cells, producing a benevolent effect on the human organism. The human cell is capable of completely dissolving a flax cell. It is interesting that flax thread appears to be the only natural material utilized for internal sutures in a surgical setting. Scientists have discovered that linen fibers reflect light. The light energy aspect of living organisms has been measured by many individuals within the scientific community. Nobel Prize-winning Dr. Otto Warburg identified signature frequency numbers of the average human at 70 to 90. All results with numbers less than 50 were identified as the signature frequency of chronic disease. Any number less than 15 was identified with those having a diagnosed incurable condition such as cancer. The measurement of linen fabric measures 5,000 signature frequencies. How do other fabrics compare? Plant fibers like cotton and hemp are not a healing fiber when measuring its signature energy output. Standard bleached and colored cotton measures 40 units of energy. The good news is that organic unbleached cotton measures 100 units of energy, which is a normal but not a healing fiber. The silk fabric measures 10 units of energy, which would fail to support health in the human body. Could it be a low number because of its origin? Silk is produced from an unclean insect. Could be that silk is unhealthy due to the use of many chemicals. Rayon measures a 15 signature frequency. Polyester, acrylic, spandex, lycra, viscose, and nylon measure 0 and do not reflect light. Pure wool measures 5,000 units of energy. For any individual desiring to be well, the best recommendation from the instructions of the scriptures is to wear linen. The biblical warning of wearing wool and linen together proved in scientific studies to be accurate. The energy of these two fabrics put together, like a wool sweater on top of a linen outfit, collapsed the electrical field as well as wearing of black-colored fabric. Where the two textiles measure 5,000 signature frequencies, when put together, these canceled each other and brought measurable weakness and in some tests even pain to the body. Since the earliest times, flax has been known to have healing properties. In the Latin language, the word flax means being most useful, and the scriptures certainly emphasize this material over all other fabrics for the holy attire. In establishing the protocols and statutes of health, Moses received specific instructions. Cleansing a leper, meaning those incurable, gave only 3 distinct fabrics of attire: wool, linen, and leather. Leviticus 13. The garment also that the plague of leprosy is in, whether it be a woolen garment or a linen garment, whether it be in the warp or woof of linen or of woolen, whether in the skin or in anything made of skin. It was emphasized as forbidden to wear linen and wool together. Leviticus 19. Ye shall keep my statutes. Thou shalt not let thy cattle gender with a diverse kind. Thou shalt not sow thy field with mingled seed. Neither shall a garment mingled of linen and woolen come upon thee. Deuteronomy 22. Thou shalt not wear a garment of diverse sorts, as of woolen and linen together. Historically, the beautiful white linen attire of the Hebrew people was with Yahweh's specific instructions, the decisions as given in the commandments in Torah. This fabric is considered part of the sanctification path. Flax fabric is an excellent filter protecting against chemical exposure, noise, and dust. Linen clothing reduces solar gamma radiation by almost half, thereby protecting humans wearing linen. Flax fiber retrieved from contaminated soil appears to be totally resistant to harmful radiation. Linen underwear heightens positive emotions as well as possessing rare bacteriological properties. Resistance